Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to use these Canva template mockups and easily swap out the placeholder artwork with your own custom designs. Once you open up your Canva template link, you'll see a page that looks something like this. You might have a few different mockup options to choose from, where the background image is sitting right on top of a blank Canva frame. To get started, just right-click the background image, hover over Layer, and select Send to Back. That'll push the background out of the way so you can clearly see the empty frames underneath. Next up, upload your custom artwork into Canva, and then simply drag and drop your designs right into the frames. Once your designs are in place, just right-click that background image again, go back to Layer, and click Bring to Front. And there you go! Your custom artwork is perfectly fitted right inside the mockup. That's pretty much it. If you run into any questions or need help, feel free to drop me a DM. Thanks for watching.